Custom. Asan ang custom? Hindi. Golden Sun ang nag-ooperate ng X-ray. Private corporation. So, saan tayo dadalhin nito, Mr. Chairman? Kaya pala meron siyang napuntahan eh. Nag-intel siya doon sa Tagaloan eh. Tagaloan. At sinasabi niya na maraming droga pumapasok. Yung X-ray pala, andun sa labas. At kung nasa labas ka, being managed by a private corporation, anong gagawin natin? Well, hindi ko alam, Mr. Chairman, kung sinadya to, but the company who owns it, well, is a friend of the former president. Custom. Yes. Hindi muna. I'll be asking the custom muna para at least alam natin yung update dito. Kasi we want to find out and we will be inviting over in the next hearing the PBDEC para malaman po natin ano yung predicament nila dito because they own the properties being leased by this Golden Sun for 25 years. They started in 2012. So, ibig sabihin, Mr. Chairman, hanggang 2035, sila pa rin magmamanage ng X-ray outside the custom. At itong port na to, Mr. Tony Yang, may tatanong po ako sa inyo. Pwede ba kitang tanungin?
想要问你一个问题。
可以。
Mr. Tony Yang, yung port, kalapit dito, hindi ba?
你的港口就是靠近这个地方，是吗？
我的港口是在那个
Tagalog po, Tagalog, please. Mag-Tagalog po kayo. Marunong naman kayo mag-Tagalog eh.
pero Tagalog minsan.
Oo, yes, okay lang. Yung port mo, kalapit nitong port na to. Sanjia still.
Oh, Sanja City malapit sa PPT pa.
Yes, malapit, di ba?
Oh.
Okay.
PPT.
Mr. Chairman, before kasi we were talking about the Sanjia Steel Corporation. They own the same port. Ganito rin, meron silang port.
然后就
Na kung saan, Mr. Chairman, nakakapasok din sa kanila. At sila, yung kanilang negosyo, yung steel manufacturing company nila, doon din po natin pinadadaan yung mga illegal, yung mga ibang goods that comes from the different countries. Now, custom, andyan yung custom, inimbitahan po natin. Can we ask some questions sa custom? Andyan ba? Asan?
Bureau of Customs.
Bureau of Custom. We want to be updated on this issue. Please sit down, please.